I wasn't doubting that.
Alright. You play catch. I'll
Yep.
play field. This has got a big board.
Yeah, she ain't going down there far yet. So we're getting all new pistons.
Yep.
Okay.
Let me see if there's any broken rings. These marked. Nope. Doesn't matter because the machine shop doesn't know all they're the same. So well, that could be one reason right there. Somebody rerun this thing.
Yep.
They put the gaps together.
Which is
When you
where
put
you
when
get
you put
the
rings
blowback.
rings together, you do like that.
Yep.
So somebody didn't know what they were doing because these actually look like they're new rings. I don't think this thing is recorded. Nope, stock pistons.
Stock pistons?
So somebody might have re-rang it, or might not.
Gotcha.
Alright.
Well, that's nice because I've never seen the inside of. Well, I've seen pictures, but yes, I do.
How it works. Tell it's slippery.
All right, all the pistons are out.
That's
Did it strip?
Pontiac would come up with something like that. Give it the size of
That's Ford too. Come on now, you know that shit.
the No, you know what? They did it sideways. It's a Here, unscrew it.
That's like a 0.5% discount, right?
You're a funny guy.
Well, you know, what can I say? I'm told that before being fired. So how long is this bolt, just out of curiosity?
Pretty long.
Okay. Well, why does this need to come off with this thing being lifted out with it?
Because I don't want the machine shop to lose it.
Okay.
We're going to need it later to put it back together.
Gotcha.
This key's out. Crankshaft.
Oh, and that's got the same, are those brass too, so you can tell the wear on
They're
them?
Babbitt with brass underneath. They're all the same.
Yep, okay.
And thrust bearing. Thrust bearing. See how this one's already wore down to the copper?
Okay.
That's what makes the crankshaft go back and forth. It controls it. The stick cars are always wore out like that because every time you push the clutch in, it pushes the crankshaft.
Oh, gotcha.
So that one's almost always wore out.
And there was only one of them, eh?
No, there's one on the top too.
Okay.
It's got a groove here, but there's only one. And this has got a rope seal in it too, which means it's never been apart. This is prone to leaking all the time. They make neoprene ones that would There, that's it.
So you basically pop the Hyman on that one, then it should.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
I'll put a neoprene one in and I'll put it back together.
All right. Is this coming out?
Not right now.
Okay.
I don't see any reason to. I gotta read and see what it is.